to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
How's everybody going? It's Sprayway and Raw. We at BJ's, filling up. We got this little task. We got some motors here. We got them wrapped up, but we about to take them up Eugene shop. And once we get up there, I'll show you what we got. But we also, I got an unboxing. I got this VEVOR. Hold that, Raw. Get Raw to hold the camera. Alright, like I told y'all before when I got that letter, VEVOR gonna send me some stuff for the shop. I got another item for the shop. It's a VEVOR air hose reel. It's 65 feet hose length. I'm not sure what else, but I know it's gonna be good for the paint booth. I ain't gotta worry about the hose laying all on the floor. So when we get to Eugene shop, we're gonna do an unboxing and a review. So y'all stick with us. All right, y'all, we made it up to Eugene shop. Still having unwrapped the motors. Y'all see it's been raining. SS Monte Carlo, getting some work done. We got another Monte Carlo over here. We're all checking it out.
Oh,
Twin
yeah,
turbo.
This thing look like it's nasty.
Then we got this Impala SS.
Don't forget to show them the wheels down there you painted.
Oh, they ain't seen that yet. This video here might come out before that one. But we got this Impala SS sitting on some 26s. Coilovers Forge. They LS swapping it. Dad done took the LT one out. And before I do the unboxing, I'm gonna show y'all the motors. We got a 2012 Escalade 6.2. Then we got a 2014 Camaro over there. About to take them off. Put them in the shop. I think I'm gonna put this in the OBS. It's 6.2. Not sure right now, but we'll figure it out. Here we go, y'all. We're finna do this unboxing on this VEVOR 65 foot hose reel. I'm gonna be using it for the spray booth.
It's just one of those little goodies for the shop, y'all.
Yes, indeed. I ain't had nowhere to unbox it because we're working on the shop, so I figured it'd be a good time to do it up here at Eugene shop. Y'all see what we got so far, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Look like the air hose is orange. Y'all know that's my favorite color, Tennessee ball. They gave me a air duster.
Okay.
I didn't know that came with it.
Okay. Y'all see them goodies? Y'all see them shop goodies? Them goodies.
Yeah, we don't want to drop it. Come from VEVOR. I'm gonna have all the information down in the description as far as where to get it at. You can get it off Amazon. It didn't come from VEVOR site. It came from Amazon. I hate that I can't hang it up and show y'all, but see what this is here. Like we got some anchors. You can anchor to the wall or something. Yeah.
Anchor to the wall.
Or concrete. You
Concrete.
Can do it. Look like they give you everything you need. I think 65 foot gonna be enough
Plenty.
for the paint booth.
That'd be plenty.
I don't want to take it loose, but y'all know what an air hose look like. You know, Sprayway ain't never owned down one of these here. My air hose just be all over the floor, so.
I'm sure. Is that probably a retractable? It's gonna like when you don't just roll. Okay.
Yeah,
Retractable by itself. Spring loaded.
What is it though? Okay, that's where the hose going.
Yeah, the original hose. You put it in there.
Yeah.
And then they're gonna flow through there.
There we go there.
It's automatic retractable. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. That'll keep y'all from tripping over the cords.
Yeah.
You know, while you're walking around, so you don't fall.
Cord inch, 150 psi. Hybrid hose, 65 feet. Then we got a 5 foot. Okay, yeah.
It's another cord
that's all like,
that screws into that fitting.
It's 5 foot right here.
Okay.
It screws into this flex. Go to your main line.
Okay. They got a nice little nifty right here, so you know how it is. Like when cars be breaking always right here, they got a little extra protection right here to help y'all keep it from breaking.
Teflon tape on it.
Hey, look, they can't set up.
Oh, spray, we're gonna be looking nice when this shop get up. What y'all think?
Get in that comment section.
Yeah, let us know. Was it a win or a L? I wasn't expecting that though.
That what made it the win right there.
Yeah.
That what made the win right there.
Y'all stay tuned.
Y'all stay tuned. Y'all him. VEVOR.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.